Yes, with a little advice and know-how, making money online is simple. There are various ways to make money online, and some of them need more work than others. However, you might easily find methods that work for you and bring in money with a little bit of effort and direction. You might start a blog and advertise marketing and advertising places on it if you need to generate extra money online. Online book and guide promotion is another option. Finding a way to make money online that suits you and your interests is the best strategy. You can find a method that works incredibly well for you among the many ways to make money online. Here I came up with the top 5 methods to earn online. Launch an online store. An excellent chance for marketers to learn more about the e-commerce sector is the opening of an online store. An online store is a fantastic method to increase the reach of your company and target clients from all sectors of the market. Additionally, it might be a fantastic approach to highlight your current offer pricing and strong sales. Prior to opening a web store, it is crucial to establish and research the ideal management strategy. You must keep in mind the kinds of services or goods you must provide, how long it takes to establish a new website, and the resources, like as advertising and customer service, that are required to make it profitable. Scaling up a marketing strategy and making sure you have the financial resources are equally crucial. 1. Choose your e-commerce platform. Before you can start selling online, you need to decide what e-commerce platform you will use for your store. Popular e-commerce platforms include Shopify, Magento, BigCommerce, WooCommerce, and Squarespace. Each platform has different features and capabilities, so be sure to research each to find the best fit for your business. 2. Register a domain name. Your next step is to choose and register a domain name for your online store. This will be the address people use to access your online store, so make sure it's easy to remember and type. 3. Set up payment processing. To accept payments online, you'll need to set up a payment processor. Popular payment processors include Stripe, PayPal, Square, and Amazon Payments. 4. Choose a hosting provider. Once you've chosen a platform for your store, you'll need to choose a hosting provider. Popular hosting providers include GoDaddy, HostGator, Bluehost, and SiteGround. 5. Design your store. Now it's time to create the look and feel of your online store. You can use built-in themes and templates or hire a designer to create a custom design. 6. Add products. Once your store is designed, it's time to add your products. You'll need to create individual product pages and add product descriptions, photos, and other relevant information. 7. Promote your store. Now that your store is up and running, you need to get the word out. You can promote your store through social media, email marketing, and other channels. Start a blog. One of the most well-liked ways to earn money online is by starting a blog. It's simple and free to start a blog. All you want is a concept and rudimentary computer knowledge. You may start a profitable blog that will draw readers and raise your profile online with some time and work. 1. Choose a blogging platform. There are several popular blogging platforms, and most of them offer a free version. Popular blogging platforms include WordPress, Blogger, and Tumblr. 2. Choose a domain name and hosting. Your domain name is your website address. It should reflect your blog's topic or niche. Hosting is a service that stores your website files and allows them to be viewed on the internet. 3. Design your blog. Once you have chosen a blogging platform and hosting, you can begin customizing the design of your blog. Many blogging platforms offer free themes or templates that you can use to get started. 4. Write your first blog post. Before you start blogging, it's important to have an idea of what you want to write about. Write a post that introduces your blog topic and why you're writing about it.
5. Promote your blog. Once you have some content on your blog, you can start promoting it on social media, search engines, and other websites. This will help you get more readers and followers. Become a virtual bookkeeper. A great way to launch your business with little to no expense and the potential for a great income is by becoming a digital bookkeeper. Virtual bookkeepers are employed by means of businesses to do routine bookkeeping tasks such as accounts receivable and payable, payroll, invoicing, and financial reporting. You need to start by learning the fundamentals of accounting and bookkeeping in order to become a digital bookkeeper. You can accomplish that by using the internet or by obtaining a certificate or degree in accounting or bookkeeping. 1. Obtain the necessary education and training. To become a virtual bookkeeper, it is important to have a strong knowledge of accounting principles, bookkeeping processes, and tax regulations. Consider taking courses or obtaining a certificate or degree in accounting or bookkeeping to gain the necessary skills and knowledge. 2. Get appropriate software. Many businesses use specialized accounting software, so make sure to become proficient in the software of your choice. 3. Get certified. Obtaining certification as a bookkeeper or certified public accountant can be beneficial for virtual bookkeepers. While not always a requirement, obtaining certification as a bookkeeper will not only help you stand out from other applicants but also demonstrate that you have the knowledge and skills to be a successful virtual bookkeeper. Consider taking a certification exam from a reputable organization, such as the Institute of Certified Bookkeepers. 4. Network and promote yourself. Networking with other virtual bookkeepers and promoting yourself online can help you find clients. Consider joining local business groups or online forums to find potential clients. Connect with other virtual bookkeepers and accounting professionals in your area. Join virtual bookkeeping and accounting networks, attend industry events and conferences, and establish relationships with potential clients. 5. Find clients. Look for virtual bookkeeping clients by networking, cold calling, and using online job boards. You can also create a website and online portfolio to showcase your skills and experience and to make it easier for potential clients to find you. 6. Set your rates. When setting your rates, consider the amount of time it will take to complete the job, the complexity of the task, and the value of the services you are providing. 7. Develop your systems and policies. Establishing systems and policies for your virtual bookkeeping services will help ensure that you are providing consistent, quality services. Become a freelance writer. A fantastic method to earn money while pursuing your passion for writing is through freelancing. You'll need to have a solid understanding of writing principles, be disciplined and organized, build a portfolio of work, and market yourself to potential clients if you want to succeed as a freelance writer. 1. Learn the basics. Start by brushing up on the basics of writing, such as grammar and spelling. Take classes or read books to learn more about the craft. 2. Create a portfolio. Put together a portfolio of your best writing samples. Be sure to include writing samples that appeal to potential clients. 3. Network. Reach out to other writers, editors, and potential clients. Attend writing conferences, join writing organizations, and connect with other freelance writers on social media. 4. Find clients. Once you've established your portfolio and network, you can start looking for clients. Look for job postings on freelance writing sites, reach out to companies directly, or even submit your writing samples to publication. 5. Set your rates. Decide how much to charge for your writing services. Research what other freelance writers are charging and decide what rate works for you. 6. Market yourself. Promote your writing services. Create a website, start a blog, and use social media to reach potential clients. 7. Stay organized. Manage your time and workloads. Always meet deadlines and keep track of invoices and payments. Become a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant works from their home office to assist clients with administrative, technical, or creative tasks. Appointment setting, research, data input, bookkeeping, customer service, writing, and social media management are examples of typical tasks. A variety of clients from different industries, including professionals, executives, small business owners, and entrepreneurs, can be worked with by virtual assistants. Virtual assistants may offer services and are frequently hired to work from home. Additionally, you can be required to prove your dependability, organization, and time management skills. Additionally, you should be able to work with a variety of people and possess sensible communication ability. 1. Develop skills. To become a successful virtual assistant, you need to develop the skills necessary to complete the tasks assigned by clients. These skills may include excellent communication, organization, problem solving, and computer literacy. 2. Create a professional profile. Create a professional profile that outlines your skills and experience. Consider setting up a blog or website to showcase your portfolio and provide potential clients with a glimpse of what you can do for them. 3. Market yourself. Once you have a professional profile, it's time to market yourself and find clients. Use social media, online job boards, and other methods to attract potential clients. 4. Set up a home office. Establish a dedicated home office. This space should be comfortable, organized, and equipped with the necessary tools to complete the tasks assigned. This may include a computer, printer, scanner, and other office essentials. 5. Set up systems. Develop systems to streamline virtual assistant tasks. This may include creating templates, calendars, and checklists to help you stay organized and efficient. 6. Track your time. Track the time you spend on each task so you can properly invoice your clients. 7. Stay professional. Always remain professional when communicating with clients. Provide timely updates and ensure tasks are completed accurately and on time. 8. Build your network. Network with other virtual assistants and business professionals to learn from one another and stay up to date on industry trends.